Hop into the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Introducing the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid, a luxurious SUV that redefines eco-friendly elegance. Powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain, the Nautilus Hybrid delivers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Its sleek, sophisticated exterior is matched by a spacious, meticulously crafted interior, featuring cutting-edge technology like the Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 suite and an intuitive infotainment system. Enjoy unparalleled comfort, enhanced safety features, and a smooth, responsive drive in this remarkable hybrid SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio. Elevate your driving experience with the